So hi, hello everyone. I hope you all are good and also previous videos you must have. Today this time we just come with a new haircut completely with changing up to the haircut. In this haircut can just learn something else different which is called like it's trends and layers. In trends and layers you can just learn something else different in the part which is called like a 90-degree shape. It's also something it will be unique layers. It will become like it will be convex and concave with both are combination layers, and that it will be easiest part which is can just do it for you. The side parts is completely separated and same simple way, just taking to the back one length, just basic haircut in the bottom back, and we just trimming out of it the rest of the hair. And we can just start before itself with any haircuts. We can just layering purpose, we can just add with one length basic and top of that to the add the layers. It will be any long layers, any just one length necessary to be make to be carry forward to the any layer for. So in this video you can just learn simplest and easiest haircut with trends and layers you can just call. And just lifting up to the exactly with the opposite to occipital bone, but the thing is 90-degree itself we are holding. It will be when we are holding, it will become like triangle shape completely with top also the inside of the finger and bottom also inside of the finger. But the haircut should be it's always to take care of that is carry forward to the bottom length as a guideline. So in just parallelly we distribute with every guidelines and every haircut with a distribute with separately. So one side we just going to be take thin section parallelly and just same following the previous guideline. So make sure as much as thin section you can just take that much, it will be haircut, it will be carry forward parallelly, it will be unique looks, and layers it will become neat and finishing one, and density also it looks very good no matter what kind of texture they carry. So another side section it will be again small section with just lifting up and holding with same 90-degree itself, and just rest of the hair we just trimming out of it. So last more section is going to be finished one side completely. The last section it might be left, and that it will be going to finish it up. And in these cases, if you have any other doubts or questions to be asked, please let me know comments below. And so many videos I just keep uploading for you guys for just education's purpose and the knowledge purpose. I'm just leaving for all the videos. Just be checking cross check with it before starting another side, and just we came out with another side. On another side we just holding same texture of density of the hair and just going through with the previous the guideline. And each and every time we just be bringing up to the elevation layers, or for sure just next upcoming videos we can just shortest haircuts also we just presents in front of you. And hope so you guys are like this video and also you gain good knowledge from this video. If you really like this video, please comments below what you feel with after practicing these haircuts. I want to know about you guys after practicing these haircuts, how would you feel and what you get results and all. So then apart from that, I just try to bring up to the next videos something else different, and just it will be a new techniques after the haircuts for sure. And this side also is done. Yes, we check to the cross check before itself, and another side just side bases we just going to be started. In this section we can just start with a vertical section with standing behind of it, and the same guideline just we take and just completely carry forward to the vertical basis. These questions, if you have any other doubts, please let me know comments below. Updated video we can just mention in the descriptions. Please follow that and just click below and just see the lot more videos where you can just previous videos which can be mentioned for a different knowledge for advanced cases and disconnected layers and short bob layers, and everything will be mentioned in the description below. Please do watch, and if you like my videos, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll keep coming for next videos for a new latest videos for that. So stay tuned till watch till the end. You can just see the complete up to the good results on these haircuts. But in these haircuts we don't show with any kind of styling, because with synthetic haircuts we just dummy we are using for haircuts. So when we do the use to the hot tools, it will be this hair, it will going to melt up. So that is the case, we don't use with any kind of blow dry tools and all. So another side we came just same guideline, just with length and just checking to the one length, then top of that we can just add to the layers top of it. The same thin section we just carry forward. This time we're standing in front of the dummy and just cutting with same techniques after the layers. I can just change my position and finger elevations as well, but the thing is the bottom guideline is major consistency to be need taking save to the length. That is the reason I'm just standing all the way is opposite side to the dummies, the crown portions here, and just the bottom portions towards, and just beginning it for all the times. So the last few more sections was left, going to finish it up to my haircuts. You can just see the good results on these haircuts, and you can just stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. We can just gain with a different knowledge for that, and just after this we're going to be started with the shortest haircuts. In the shortest haircuts also you may can see something convex kind of layers in that cases, and concave layers it will this time we don't insist it. So almost my cut my finished. You can just see the messy layers on top of that, and you can just see lot more movement, and just lightly V shape you can just see in the bottoms, and the layers are moving very well, and it's absolutely looking great and bouncier look. And the movement of tiny bits after the tails you can just see, probably it's finishing very good. This is the reason I just always used to tell you guys, for just as much as thin section you can use, that much you can just get again to the ultimate layers for that cases. So for sure, hope you guys are understand about my all the instructions to the before start of the haircut with each and everything. If case it will be any doubts will be there, please comments below. I'll definitely update for you. And for the upcoming videos, we can just once started the multiple languages also. We're just trying to put with Hindi, other languages also for insisting for all the videos. I hope you guys all are enjoying each and every my videos. Please let me know comments below for any updates. I definitely will give it the answer for you. For more updates, please follow my Instagram pages and mentioned below in the description, and Facebook as well. For any doubts will be there, please ask me over there for personally. You can just definitely clarify for you. But till then, I hope you understand about the proper haircuts. You can just see completely messy blow dry. We just root shifting to the boosting to the blow dry, and just you can just boom up to the complete to the messy blow dry, and you can just see a lot more layers on that cases. And this is it going to end final touch. And this is up to the rocking to the all the ways. It will be keeping carry forward to the layering techniques, and just keep our strength and to the consistency of the holding texture and techniques, and all the things we can just carry forward for it. For any doubts will be there, please let me know comments. Till then, take care, be safe, take care.